Alright, what is up guys? Okay, wondering how the cap reference? Well,
कैसे हैं आप लोग?
alright, not to mock anybody, but I'm really sorry. This video is going to be a bit serious. It's not usually how I am, but since it's a very serious topic, okay, I need to be talking about this in depth. And these are my opinions towards this topic of TikTok versus YouTube. I hope everyone understands, or I'm able to portray what I am trying to portray through this video. Um Well, let's just be honest, okay? Before TikTok could even come into the picture, there used to be a lot of negative or senseless content that was being put on Facebook, on YouTube, and it never got the limelight because there was no Carrie Minati, or the reason I'm quoting him because he's one of those guys who's roasted TikTok. Okay, there was no Thagesh. I'm talking about these Indian YouTubers who did this and pointed out. So I thank a lot to Carrie Minati or to the people who are trying to roast such content. Okay, which is not feasible for consumption. Now, the reason why I'm saying consumption of content or responsibly consuming the content is so important is because check out this guy.
मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ क्या है ये ये मेरा घर है। और और ये मेरी मम्मी है और ये मेरे पापा है। और सब बोलते हैं ना ये कपड़े कहाँ से लाता है, क्या करता है, कौन से गरीब के कपड़े लाता है। ये है वो कपड़े, ये सब है वो कपड़े जो मैं डांस में पहनता हूँ। ये सब जो कपड़े ये मेरे हैं कपड़े, और ये कपड़े जो मैं डांस में पहनता हूँ इनके, और ये मेरे पापा। अब ये बताओ अब क्या करूँ? अगर मैं धोखेबाज हूँ, आपको गलत लगता है तो मत करो लाइक। टिकटॉक वाले को बोल दो कि मेरा 1 मिलियन है ना, 0 कर दो।
परदेसी मेरा दिल ले गया, जाते जाते मीठा मीठा गम दे गया।
कौन परदेसी तेरा दिल ले गया, मोटी मोटी अखियों में।
See, now I genuinely feel that this guy is really talented, and I feel, oh, for example, even Baba Jackson, the guy who I think comes remotely close to Michael Jackson's dance and representing India. I think he's really nice. Okay, and this is what is called as content creation, man. If you bring something interesting to the table, I think you deserve that set of attention from the people. Now let's talk about social media platforms where being a content creator, think about it. Now you want audiences to be engaged. Now at some point in while you're creating content, you would want that to be monetarily benefiting you somewhere down the line. It's a lie if the person tells you that he's not doing it for monetary benefits, but when you are doing it, or maybe at some point in your life this comes to a place where you have to earn money from it, audience views, your ad management, a lot of other factors, SEO, SCM comes into the picture, where views do matter, but making sure that your content is really important. Now TikTok as a platform, the reach is supremely high as compared to YouTube as of now, but I'm pretty sure it's kind of going to be very equal, or maybe there's going to come another app which is going to outbeat TikTok. Okay, you never know. But as a content creator, yes, I would like to use all the platforms right now to make sure that whatever I am trying to get at, it's been reached to the audiences or to the maximum audiences. Now it's up to them if they want to consume my content or not. Alright, I think the video has been too long. Before I could end it, it's just a request to everyone that please consume content responsibly. Do not consume, or do not be a sheep to somebody who is just pinpointing the wrong things on a platform and then blame the entire platform for it. Okay, if you have a problem with only one person's content, or someone posting in that sense or in that manner which is not feasible to your consumption, please unfollow that person or report the video. Or there are so many other ways. Just do not watch it or do not spread it. If you find something genuinely interesting, then spread it. give air to content which is genuinely nice. Don't be the sheep right now where you could just follow the trend. If ये अच्छा नहीं है मैं भी यही करूँगा, I'm gonna post it, I'm gonna show the world that I'm so cool, I'm so in trend with or in sync with everything. Just don't do that. With that being said, my Instagram handle is Ziggy Vlog. Although that's my second page, I wanted to show some love to that. Until next time, I'm gonna make sure that it doesn't be as serious as this one. I bet someone in the comment section is gonna write, he's doing this only for views, okay?